Good afternoon, friends. I am going to start the English practice. 1. Let's see who's speaking today. 2. Mary's sister loves sipping juice. Frank speaking about horse saddles. 4. Tom zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. 5. Let's zigzag on the ice with Philip's skate. 6. The candidate's speeches show fails. 7. Thousand saw Shakira's show. 8. Her face showed a nice smile. 9. Wendy's sister likes sausage. 10. The cyclops size this cheese stick. Oh, along go. Only no, no. Open, throat, show. Other, thrown, throw. Okay, jump, grow. Ocean, stone, flow. Owner, cold, tomato. Other, home, potato. Phone, yacht, at home. Don't go to throw stone. It's snow on growth. You own you a phone call. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go chow alone. Somebody has stolen my comb. Thank you.